In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Jotform cache. Let's dive straight in. For anyone unfamiliar, Jotform is a robust tool for building online forms that collect data, whether it's registration forms, survey forms, or any other type of form you can think of. However, just like with any other online service, sometimes you encounter glitches or performance issues. Often these can be resolved by a simple yet effective action, clearing your cache. First things first, open your favorite web browser and go to the Jotform website. You'll find yourself on the homepage of this free online form builder and form creator. It's the starting gate to solving your problem. Now look for the login button. It's your gateway to accessing your Jotform dashboard, where all your form creations and settings reside. Click on it to move forward. If you've tied your Jotform account with Google or any other platform for a more streamlined sign-in process, now's the time to select that option. Many users appreciate the convenience of this feature as it simplifies the login process by connecting your Jotform account to a familiar platform. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to My Forms. This section is where all your form magic happens, where you've sculpted those perfect forms that gather all the crucial data you need. Feel the power at your fingertips? Good, because we're moving on. In the top right corner, you'll spot your profile. This tiny icon holds the key to many functionalities, including the one we're interested in today. Go ahead and click on it. It's a small action, sure, but it's about to make a big difference. Once you've clicked your profile, find and select Settings. This part of your account is like the control room. It houses all the levers and dials that let you tweak your Jotform experience to perfection. Now here's where we get to the heart of the matter, the Clear Cache button. It might not look like much, but its function is pivotal. Hitting this button will clear your Jotform cache, which can resolve a host of issues ranging from loading problems to outdated form content. Think of it as giving your Jotform account a fresh start. And there you go, that's how you clear your Jotform cache. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your arsenal for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring that the data your forms collect is as accurate and up to date as possible. Now, while this process is straightforward, I'd like to share a few additional tips to make your Jotform experience even smoother. First, if you find yourself frequently needing to clear your cache due to persistent issues, consider reaching out to Jotform's support. There could be an underlying problem that needs addressing. Also, remember that clearing your cache isn't just a troubleshooting tool. It can also be a proactive measure to ensure that your forms and dashboard are always running smoothly, especially if you're rolling out changes or updates to your forms. Lastly, keep in mind that while clearing your cache is often beneficial, it's also a good practice to periodically check your forms in incognito mode or through other browsers. This can give you a fresh perspective on how your forms are performing and appearing to your users. Clearing your Jotform cache might seem like a small action, but its impact can be significant. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply ensuring that your forms are in tip-top shape, this simple step is an easy way to help maintain the efficiency and reliability of your Jotform experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your Jotform account that much easier. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks that help you make the most out of your online tools and services.